All right, so I've been working on pretty much just how to make a simple sling that would be accurate to about like the 19th century. And I've done a lot of research, and pretty much what people would do would be a super crude and simple sling. It's period correct and everything, and obviously this doesn't have to be leather. It could be like any type of paracord if you wanted to. But pretty much all you have to do is you take a leather strip. Back in the day, they would do this with a leather strip like me or their belt. A belt would be easier because there would already be a like an oblong hole in it for the buckle. So pretty much you'd slide the strap with the hole in it or the crack in it for the buckle over the barrel. You take it around to the buttstock and you just screw it in your butt plate. So you take your screw out, you screw it in your butt plate, and then you're good to go. I just see mine here. I just made it a little bit more fancy with, some nice little Chicago screws there and a steel ring. That's obviously just cosmetic. I just wanted to make it look a little bit better. But pretty much that's all they used to do. Or even with the horse, the bridles there, the horse rings, pretty much. If one would break, they'd take the strap, make a hole in it, put it around the barrel, screw it in their buttstock. And I was scared at first since the wood is old and stuff on original guns, I don't want the screw to come out, but that won't be an issue because the steel butt plate acts as pretty much like a washer. So the screw is in the wood, but pretty much what secures this all together is the butt plate itself. It doesn't like wobble around or anything. The leather really just like gets embedded in the steel, so it doesn't move, and you have yourself a nice and simple sling. So like I said, it's just slipped over the barrel. You can make this as long as you want, and then it's just screwed in to the butt plate. Probably the world's simplest sling, the cheapest. Could make this with like a pretty much any fabric you want, canvas, leather, paracord, whatever. Super simple, super cheap.